Hey there, I'm Hugo from TechCornerTV, and today I have here another mailbag day for you, as usual, every Monday at 8 AM GMT time. Today I have only two orders. AliExpress went berserk and it packed 11 or 12 orders in one mailbag. So I have here my list because I didn't already confirm that all the serials are correct. So I will do an opening and quite fast confirm if everything is okay with the orders they sent me. So without further delays, let's start. Let's put this one away for a second, and I have here a small one that arrived also. Let me try to see where I can open it. I think I got it. Rechargeable batteries, but these ones, the 9 volts, I didn't have yet in a rechargeable, and I saw these ones online. It seemed quite nice. We have a charging cable. We don't need even to connect it to a charger, and yeah, oh look, the charging cable can charge two at once, like this. So yeah, very nice. Let me just see. I have here a charger, 2 amps charger. Let's see how it goes. We have a small light here. I saw a light. I saw the light. Where is it? Okay. I don't know if you guys can see it, but this one is not well connected. We have there a light. Sorry. Let me see if I can show you. Yeah, there is the light when charging. In here, a small red light. Okay, this seems nice. A nice acquisition. Yeah, I will have to let it charge and see if it worth the money. Yeah. For now, it will do. Let's see. Okay, so right now I have here the big bag. Okay, so I have here the big bag. Let me open the bag. I believe I will have a few orders in here. Okay, guys, as you can see, I received something like 14 orders inside that bag. It has a little problem here because normally when I receive orders for the Amoras e Mirtilos blog, it's a lifestyle blog in Portuguese that it's from my wife. And yeah, the stuff I receive normally for that blog I will not show you here because it's not related normally with technology. And since all the orders were stuck inside a bag, yeah, we have here a few stuff. I believe there are stuff here also for my kids. So yeah, the first one should be this one. Yeah, for my daughter. This is a cover for the Redmi 9 mobile phone. Yeah, they printed the drawing with this in it. Yeah, it's cool. So you probably will see today some stuff that it's normally on these channels, like this, and stuff for human beauty. Look, my kid is with luck. 2 covers. Yeah. More or less the quality is not so good, but yeah. So let's see on this one. It doesn't have a description. Let's try to open it. Yeah, okay. So in the last week I received a Mi 4 bracelet. Now it's for the Mi 5 and Mi 6 bracelets. So yeah, replacement bracelets. It's always good to have some around. Let's see what else we have here. Yeah, today it's a little bit different from the normal. I hope that they don't do this a lot of times, because yeah, I'm opening stuff that's supposed to be only for my home. Another cover for the Redmi 9. Yeah, it seems okay. I think that she will have a lot of covers for the mobile. This one I already know what it is for filling it, and it's for the blog, and it's a lifestyle and also cooking and health blog. And those are, let me show you, 4 spoons, yeah, for the photo sessions with food on the blog. Yep. So yeah, I don't think I have anything for the channel today, other than the 2 bulbs, the 2 batteries that arrived, and yeah. Oh, this is also for me. It's a replacement bracelet for my watch. Yeah, it seems quite nice. Yeah, the material it's good, at least it seems. Yeah, a red one. I ordered a few more of this. Let's see when they arrive. Okay, I think this is a fork, also for the blog, the lifestyle blog, and the photo sessions in the blog. Let's see what they sent. I think it's just a packing. Yeah, it's just a packing number. And yeah, it seems nice. My wife ordered this only to test it before order a few more to see how it is. Yeah, again, for the photo shoots of food and stuff like that. I know this is for me also. Yeah, AliExpress. Okay, so I told you that I ordered a few more bracelets. Here they are for the GT Sports, Huawei GT Sports. And yeah, it's quite bright for the summer. This is nice. So let me see this one. Yeah, another spoon with a heart. Yeah, I don't like this system. Not knowing what arrives, it quite sucks. Okay, so I think this one should be for the channel. Let me see. Okay. So I ordered a few resistors. While I don't have the load, this DC electronic load, I want to do some testing on power supplies and stuff like that. So I ordered these resistors. They are 100 watts, 10 ohms. And this one, it's, I believe, 50 watts. Let me see if I can. It's not quite clear, but I believe it's 50 watts, 10 ohms also. And I ordered some ceramic resistors also from the same supplier. Let me open. Those are sold in packs of 5. 10 watts, also 10 ohms. Yeah, some ceramic resistors. So I will do some testing with the power supply, and yeah, you probably see some more about the Corad if I am able to test it better. some more videos about the carrots before I send it to the winner. Okay, I also know what this is. I think this is a Xiaomi beauty product for the lifestyle blog also. It's like a cleaner. Yeah, let me show you on top camera. It's I don't know what this is already, but yeah, I think this is a beauty product bought for the lifestyle blog. If I see this is some kind of technology in it, we can connect to something or something like that, I will ask Irene to do a review for the channel, for the Tech Corner reviews and tips channel. Yeah, it's a Xiaomi product. And for the last, I will leave the top camera on because I know what it is. I was expecting this. And I was expecting this. Let me see. Okay. Aha! I believe this is too big for me. Maybe not. But this is my new t-shirt of AT walker, sorry, AT walker. And yeah, as you might know, I am a Star Wars fan. I believe I have a t-shirt today also from Star Wars. I bought a few more. This has a brilliant cloth. It's not a normal cloth. I don't like very much the cloth, but yeah, the draw is very nice. Yeah. So on one positive and final note, I hope you enjoyed. That's it for today. Please consider subscribing the channel or the other two channels from Tech Corner, the electronics and the consumer electronics reviews also. And if you like this video, it was a bit unusual for the normal videos that I do. But if you liked, give a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and if you do subscribe, don't forget to hit that bell so you can be the first one to be notified every time I have a new video. Again, that's it for today. Stay safe. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.